All right, everybody, Bobby D, Muscle and Fiction. So today we're looking at forearms. We're gonna do jackhammer curls. So these come on the inside of the body like this, all the way down, all the way up like this. Now, you can feel this in the forearm, people. It's good for the tie-in between the forearm and the bicep, all right? Now, you can put these in anywhere you want at the end of your workout. I suggest you don't do forearms first because your grip will be off and your arm will be pumped and you'll have a hard time doing that. So jackhammer curls, there you go, people. All the way in, all the way down. Give this one a try. A lot of people don't do it. You'll enjoy it for the forearms. Build them big, get that grip solid. Okay, peace.